Welcome back. You're watching the Property Show. We're taking questions from across the country. We've got Alok Gupta next on the phone line. Mr. Gupta, go ahead, sir. How can we help you?
Oh, yeah. Hi, Natarajan.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I'm looking at 3 BHK ready-to-move property in Noida with the budget of 75 lakhs.
All right. 75 lakhs is a decent budget, but you are, of course, very specific. It should be near the metro station. Samir, what do you think?
So we've chosen the upcoming region for this budget, starting with Sector 70, going up to Sector 121. It's a very good micro market emerging in many ways. Infrastructure is coming up in a big way over there. The inventory overhang is about 20 odd months here, and price appreciation has also been decent of about 15 odd %, and the weighted average price is at 5150. So keeping that in mind, there are 3 projects. Cape Town by Supertech. This is between 4,600 and 5,000 rupees, available from the resale market. This project is a 50-acre township which houses other luxury offerings in like the North High, and it's adjoining the 100-acre park as well. Majority of Sector 74 belongs to Supertech and Ajnara, being the only developer in this sector. Platinum by Amarpali Group, Sector 119. This project is ready. Again, spread over 13.5 acres, around 100 families have already moved in, and the developer is providing RO in every kitchen and high-speed wireless internet connections in the whole complex. Good bet with a limited budget. Amantran by Aldeco Infrastructure, part of a larger development of 17 odd acres. Individual project area is about 14 acres in phases, and project is adjoining a 3-acre park in close proximity to the Noida Ghaziabad link road.
All right, so Noida is what we're talking about. Budget of 75 lakh rupees. 3 choices up on your screen. Take a pick from any of these. Always nice to go and visit the properties, and then of course you'll just get that right feel for the right property meant for you. Harish Bhatia writes in and he says, I wish to buy a 3 BHK unit in Bithovan 8 apartment by Agrante Realty Limited in Sector 107 on the Dwarka Expressway. That's Gurgaon. Please tell me how good is the choice, and is the price also right? What do you think? Well,
the project is a little avoidable as better locations are available, although the project is offering a subvention scheme and spread across 8 odd acres. But we think that the location, from a location point of view, you could look at some better projects, and we'll just come to the key data points of this area. Keeping your budget in mind, we have the mid segment over here, where Gurgaon side of the Dwarka Expressway is 16 months of inventory overhang, and Delhi side is about 8 months only. Price appreciation has been lower on the Delhi side at 14%, whereas the Gurgaon side has been a little higher at 18 odd % on an annualized basis. The 3 projects that you can consider are Asotech Limited, Blith at 5,300 rupees, Sector 99. This project area is about 12 odd acres, and it's a PE-backed project. There is 75 odd crores for this project. It is just 500 meters away from Dwarka Expressway in Sector 99. 106 Golf Avenue by CHD Developers. This project is 12.34 odd acres. It's a project just off Dwarka Expressway on a proposed 60-meter wide road. And there are other amenities like a nursery school, grocery stores in this project as well. And last is Soltrian Caladium by Soltrian Building Technologies. This is in Sector 109. This is a small project of 3.67 acres. Bank loans are available, and this is bang opposite the ATS Chintals project.
Alright, so 3 projects: Dwarka Expressway, Blith Asotech, 106 Gulf Avenue by CHD Developers, and Solutren Caladium by Solutren Building Technologies. If there could be a more tongue twister name, I don't know, Samir. That one is really tough. That's all for today. Samir, thank you very much for taking all our questions and of course giving us such good, intelligent data to make the best decisions with our money. Keep posting your comments and questions at property@ndtv.com, and don't forget to tune in to Radio City every Saturday at 2 p.m. You get additional information with my colleague Anjali. Goodbye from me.